Hey everybody, welcome to Go for Green Living. My name is Daniel.
And I'm Ruts.
That is weird. Now this is a green hippie production, so y'all stick around. Yes, you're invited. You're invited to the King's Banquet. We are having our 1 year wedding anniversary. It's going to be on the movie. It's going to be part of the movie The Walk, and y'all are invited. Yes, we're standing in this beautiful
mimosa. They're
Well,
so awesome. Have
yes.
you seen them? It's like very nice.
Yes, very nice. Anyway, so
It
y'all
smells so good.
y'all can come and be part of something big.
And who is the King's Banquet? It's when you go out and the random people you meet. So that means we don't know you. We've
Yes.
never seen you before.
hmm
And so if you want to come, come.
We would like you to walk with us a little bit for the camera because we need the effect to make the movie happen. So yes, we need people to walk, but I promise it won't be 100 yards, and we'll have plenty of ice cold water there for you. Plus, we'll be cooking a feast because it is Root and I's 1 year wedding anniversary too. Me and Root just went through a mitzvah, which is a baptism, a renewal after our 1 year of the first year of marriage.
We took 7 years of marriage in one. We just kind of like accumulated everything. So now we know each other very well now.
Yes, we know.
Yeah, it was beautiful to go through the process with you, my love.
Yes, it was very nice. It's very nice to go through the process, and I know we'll do it again. No,
No, that was too hard. No. But I love you. It was worth it. So we're going to do a lamb, a whole roasted lamb.
Yes.
And we're going to sit by the campfire. And
Potatoes and carrots and stuff.
and testimonies.
And testimonies.
Where
And
people can share what God did in their lives.
yes, exactly. Plus, we're going to be filming a movie, so me and Root will be busy. But y'all are more than welcome to enjoy the party and just help yourself to look around and everything.
Yeah,
If we don't get a chance to personally greet you while we're there, but we're honored that you would be there,
we
though.
would love it too.
Yes. All right. This is what you do. You go to, you can email us at the Exodus Walk at gmail.com and location, just email location. We'll send you back directions. Or you could email it at my email, ds813 goforgreenliving at gmail.com. Or any of our emails. You can go Green Hippies. There's plenty of places to get in touch with us.
Or you can go on Facebook on the group The Walk. It's a private group, but it is only for those who wanted to know what's going on, that wanted to follow us, and there you will have more information too.
Yes, you'll have more information. Or you can text location at 256-224-3327.
Or the YouTube channel, The Walk.
Yes, the YouTube channel, The Walk. Yes.
Stay
Or you
tuned.
can comment on this video, it's limitless how you can find out how to get there. We just need you to be there. We need a guide showing.
Well, it's kind of like God gives you the stage so you can come. We kind of like just prepared the table.
Mm-hmm.
That was our job. And so it sets.
It says.
And
Yes.
there's so many people coming already. We have to say that. Because
Yes.
there were so many people sitting on the fences for a while, yeah?
Yes.
And
Yes.
then we took our turnaround and miracles started to happen. And now they're flooding in
Yes.
from
Yes.
all over
It's
the
Sunday.
place.
Sunday. Just a couple of days from today, Sunday.
Yep.
So if you're in another state, start driving now.
And we will have room for you. You can stay in tents, or we can help you if you need to.
Yes, and we have plenty of. We'll figure out something. Yes, so don't worry. We'll figure out something. All right, guys. We love you, and we will see you there at the walk. Later, guys.